it feels so real to me. I'm tripping on a chemistry. It's firing up inside of me.